I am reading the book The Irreducibility of Human Person by Mark K. Spencer. The philosophical question it addresses is that how human person's irreducibility able to flourish its essence and distinguish himself from the other. In this book, Spencer answers that human person are irreducible to anything non-person that is explainable by principles like essence, existence, substance, form, and matter. The author supports this first. To understand our irreducibility, we must grasp what is to be a person and what human nature is. Second, the aesthetic method on which language about beauty is the most apt way of expressing the irreducible holism of every being. Third and last is the givenness of the phenomena or the so-called experience. However, he believes that we cannot perceive the full truth or beauty of the human person if we rely just on our own experience, but it needs a holistic perspective. The argument's strength is in the reality of which the source of technology comes from the intellect of human. Therefore, distinguish human person is subject and technology is object. Thus, technology is just an actualization of human intellect. Its weakness lies in the reality of the efficiency and effectiveness of technology, where most of humans are dependent to it and where they preferably choose what is easy and instant. As a whole, Spencer's argument supports my thesis that human person is irreplaceable to the arising technology that provides collectivism, objectification, depersonalization, functionalization, technological and terrestrial setup.